party living like a fucking nemesis. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how city I'm feeling. Sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this feeling. Cause I've been so long.
Good morning, guys. It's 3:30 a.m. and we're getting ready to go to the airport. We're flying to New Jersey today. I'm doing a bit of dry brushing. I started last night and I didn't finish. And then I'm using the Eco Tools. Can you see that? Since I'm not putting on any makeup, I am just putting on this brightening toner. Good Molecules sent me this, and just putting in the palm of my hands. I'm just gonna put on my Fenty Flash Snap eye cream. No makeup on the plane, right? No makeup. The airport, guys, and it's a little chilly, but these original northerners are ready for the cold. Charleston, see you later. How's your sandwich?
Stop.
Okay, no recording. Can I see your sandwich?
Yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
What is it?
It's a croissant with egg sausage and cheese.
Guys, we're taking off. We made it to Jersey, guys. We have not been home to New Jersey in a year and a half. Well, Taylor has, and hubby comes back frequently because, you know, his business is here. I see a red car. It's not that cold.
It's not freezing.
No. I thought it was going to be freezing. We brought our jackets just in case. I see you, babe.
Why is he running away?
He's in a rental. That's you. I see you. Why are you telling people to move?
Wait, is that me?
That's him. He said red car.
I've thought about it a lot, and this is what's going to happen. I'm going to keep pursuing what I'm pursuing. And it's because of that.
How much, babe? It's keeping you in the lane?
The right lane to turn right.
That's freaky.
Mommy, Daddy, what type of car did you have?
This rental car, guys, when you let go of the wheel, it keeps you in the lane. That's insane. Oh, look.
Turn right on Kapkowski
We're about
Road.
the seaport in New Jersey right now. This is where all of the container packaging go. Oh, remember we used to send stuff to St. Kitts or St. Thomas? This is where you would come, all the containers, all of that stuff. That's what I do like about Jersey. I don't know if we could do that in Charleston.
In a quarter of a mile.
So I'm pretty
Turn
sure
left.
we couldn't.
Hey, hubby. Say hi to the people then.
Hi people, I'm gonna welcome to Jersey, stomping ground where I've been holding it down for a few weeks. Let's go.
Passed the mall a while ago.
That it take me to an accent place.
Is you just a Charlestonian now, so you don't know
Well, I was following the navy. You look like a
He's
J.
up
The
right
left lane
here.
to turn
Oh, a
left.
different entrance.
Then turn right.
It's the real entrance right here. For the big sign. You know what I mean? The Mills at Jersey Gardens.
The Mills
Turn
at
right,
Jersey Gardens.
then turn left.
These two crazies doing TikTok.
You messed up. You were delayed.
Oh yeah, I did?
Yes.
Shopping mall. Everything.
How do we start
Bashment boat. Put up on the Bashment boat, Taylor.
Where y'all coming from? Jamaica?
Charleston. Pull up on the harbor. Jump on.
Oh, y'all on Shems Creek?
We're going down Shem Creek right now.
literally steering. What are you doing?
I'm falling off. You're not a good boat driver.
Damn, you're right there.
Oh yeah, I'm surfing. Hop on, Daddy. Hop on.
Well, are you staring for you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Stare. Don't knock it down. This store in Jersey Gardens, the sister shop. Brands by entrepreneurial women of color. Oh, I totally need to put my stuff in here. Wow, there's an event space? This is cute. So we're currently at Grand Cafe and Bistro in Elizabeth, New Jersey. If you can't already tell, we are in New Jersey for a quick weekend. We're here for a baby shower. So it's Saturday morning. We flew in this morning at 8:30 a.m. Hubby picked us up, then took us to the mall. We did a little shopping, and now we're grabbing brunch because we're hungry. I just called one of my old Dominican girlfriends and said, listen, I need me some chicharron, some piccata, all of that stuff. So we all have a list of things that we're trying to get. Chicharron. Taylor got a raspberry croissant. Ooh, it has chocolate. It has chocolate in it. Anyways, this restaurant that we're at here in, Taylor, what are you doing? In Elizabeth. Yep.
Yeah, can I have another mimosa?
Oh, I'll have one too, thank you. And what was I gonna say? It's a black-owned restaurant based on the research that I saw, because we're looking at places to go to that's close to the airport and close to the mall.
You said half.
So this one came up, and the reviews were pretty good on Yelp, so we decided to try it. Taylor, can I try it?
Wow. Let me have one of the top stuff.
Babe, you got anything to say? Taylor, can I try it? I'm gonna give you a piece. Okay. Anything to say, Daddy?
I'm hungry.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wonder what that lover. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you.
We're showing you where
These
our
apartments
very
wasn't here. It
first
was just
apartment was.
bush. It was all bush. Everything was
Yeah, this wasn't here at all.
Yeah, you know, it had one house in the back. That's it. You couldn't even see the house. You had them.
Bro, that's what
We were right here on the left-hand
you're
side.
creating more. The Grove is what's right next to us.
Tanglewood Terrace. Oh
do
my
remember.
gosh. You were a baby, Taylor. You wouldn't have remembered this. You were just born. This first one right here.
Apartment right here.
Wow. This what Taylor... You said ew?
Right
This
there.
was our very
On the
first
floor?
apartment,
Yep, that
guys.
was our front door right
I was...
there.
That was...
On the bottom or the top?
The one right here on the right-hand side. 156
I
Lennox
used to
Court.
sit on the steps and used to play right out here in the front. We used to sit right here and stuff.
We just pulled into the barber shop, guys. This is Classic Cuts Barber Shop. Wow, we haven't been here in almost 2 years, Daddy. There we go. Classic
if you're doing your
Cuts.
chores for the week, you go to buy like something.
Okay. All right.
You could just give me an allowance.
So I'm giving hubby a steam facial and no. Okay, so you start with down here.
It's been 10 minutes.
10 minutes what?
Since this client came in.
No, it's been 5 till I've been counting.
And you said 5 minutes.
I know, which is why I'm taking it off right now.
You're not done right now.
No one can do it like you.
Clients just showed up, so he's doing a haircut after his facial.
That doesn't require a credit score. Plus, Self helps you save money every month and it reports your payments.
Who's that
to all
sexy
three
man
credit
right there?
bureaus. Download the app today.
Yeah. So we're running into an old bodega that we would come to. So my husband's barbershop is close to this area. And Taylor just had to come get, we need to get some of these for the girls. Do we have enough money? You want me to use my card? What is it?
Blackberry, that's carrot, and then
What's the other one? Pineapple?
I think, or
Carrot?
no, the orange one is carrot.
Yeah.
The
Blackberry?
yellow one we're trying to figure out what.
So refreshing. Blackberry, carrot, passion fruit, carrot. Gracias. Oh, this one.
Can I get two?
Oh my gosh, we lost our mosh.
Oh, sorry.
Go take a picture.
I was just looking at. I was just watching last night when
Look
we
at
came to
you
South
guys.
Carolina.
So cute. This is called picada, guys. Fried plantain, fried yuca, chicharron,
Is that chicharron?
chicken wings.
Mommy, this is like the same stuff that are in the al halea.
Kinda.
Fried plantain is good.
We're eating our picada, guys. We're eating our picada.
Yeah, we did that like that.
It's on 22.
Yeah, it's at the gas station.
Just the views.
Oh,
Yeah, we made
There
it.
goes the scarecrow Daddy made.
why is he wearing his clothes? What's in his head?
You see the
A
deer,
pumpkin is the
Taylor?
head.
Yeah. Halloween yet. Well, Aunt isn't letting him walk around during Halloween.
Oh, that was probably it for him.
Lathan!
Where's the costume? Oh.
Good morning from New Jersey, guys. Good morning, good morning. This is what I love the most, the fall foliage. We don't have that in South Carolina, but it's only once a year, so not comparing, but yeah. So I'm here for a shower and I just picked up bagels and donuts for the girls that are setting up. I'm just so excited.
Sorry, I've been overdrafted and none of this winning. 'Cause I've been so long, so long.
Created these and they're so pretty. I'm guessing we're saying it's a boy. No, this is teal. The teal's in between. Yeah. But that's okay. We don't know what it is.
What do you think it would be? This ain't up
I don't know. I heard the guys upstairs chit-chatting when they should be working, so I'm gonna go sneak on them. I heard you guys chit-chatting, so I was like, let me come catch y'all. This what y'all call working?
This is you just missed it. I had my schedule up here. He was helping me with some emails, some clients.
Oh, I see the spot though. It's nice. Dope.
Yeah, it's got a lot of good space up here.
Oh wait, look at the view though.
Right on top here. It's nice up here.
Oh, this is nice. With the spoon in his hand, y'all, he was working.
Yeah, I was working.
Hi guys, hello from New Jersey. So we just finished setting up at my friend's baby shower and now for the partying. But I'm so annoyed because I charged the battery, took it out, and now I don't know where the damn battery is. So I can't film on my camera, so I'm filming on
Even Bubba is superhero.
Okay.
Batman shot glasses. Black Panther.
Okay. Superhero. I saw that. Returned our rental car and we are all changed and headed home to Charleston. It is 7:30 p.m.
Yeah. Well, if nobody
We did our own.
We got our own little spot.
We're so special.
We have our own car.
We have our own Charlie.
Don't let your bag fall on the floor. So Taylor, did you enjoy New Jersey?
And I wake up and I don't see his name on my phone. I'm in London, New Jersey. It was so fun, you guys. We had a hand with all my cousins, which I haven't seen in like almost 2 years. It was so fun.
So now we can think about this as like a quick getaway sometimes. You know, to come see friends and I come to some of the
and I hope you can take it. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another player on a hit list, trying to fix your inner issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck you, white hoes in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it.
Heading home, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up.
Hit that thumbs up. Trying to fix your inner issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck you, white hoes in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it.